Watcha.
Sawadee khap, my orangutan friends and poon kuntai, and welcome to another vlog, another video. Yes, we're approaching Christmas. What's the date today? Oh, I don't know. Just looking at my watch here. It's December the something. 6th? Is that right? Might be the 7th. Who knows? Anyway, we've got a little review today. Not much, just a couple of things, just so we can get a video out there this week. And first up we have, I guess this is Christmassy, it's M&Ms with a Christmas thing on, and bits of snow, woo! Right, there you go, so chocolate M&Ms. Why is it Christmassy? Is it because it's red and green? Is there anything here to tell you what kind of flavour? You see, in Thailand they put all these stickers over everything. You can see stickers over everything. And there. Don't know why. Right, so Christmas flavours, is it? I don't know. You tell me. Christmassy anyway. I've seen them advertised on TV here. So we'll give it a go. Both items today were purchased at the wonderful 7-Eleven convenience store. Okay, so unfortunately I threw the bill away, so I don't have the price. Okay, there we go. Red and green. I can already smell the chocolate. Are these flavoured? This is what I'm intrigued about. And if they are, what is red flavour? Chocolate. It's literally chocolate. It does say on the packet though, doesn't it? Why am I so surprised? I thought it might be like, I don't know, mint or something. Cranberry maybe? No, it's just a hard candy shell. Yeah, so just chocolate M&Ms with red and green. That's Christmas. Well, that was disappointing. Anyway, get them down the old Gregory pack. Now, the other thing I want to show you today, it's not Christmassy, but it is a bit different. It is Kit Kat, but pineapple tart flavour. Pineapple tart flavour? What does that even mean? I like a bit of tart, you know. Right, so, well, you can see the packet there. It looks like it's, the coating is pineapple. Have we got stickers on here? No. Anyway, let's get it open and give it a go. Tart pineapple. Tart pineapple. We do get quite strong pineapple. Tart though. Tart's like an apple, isn't it? Like sour, like a sweet sour. Oh, that was a waste of bloody time. I've got the scissors on it. It's not open. Oh right, okay, here we go. So the first thing I've noticed. Whoops. You probably heard the little crack there because I've just broken the fingers. Not my fingers. Just broken my fingers. Ow! Get a doctor quick. No, the fingers of Kit Kat. So the first thing you notice is like this pattern, like a yellow pattern, and on the back it's chocolate like that. So it's kind of layered, which is a bit unusual, I guess. We did a review of the Mandarin one, Chinese New Year, the limited edition. It kind of looks like that, I guess. Okay, so let's give it a go. Kit Kat tart pineapple. Okay, you don't get any pineapple straight to start off with, and then it comes in like a steamroller. Bang! Pineapple. I'll try it again. Can you taste the chocolate? No. Maybe it's just me, but I can't actually taste the chocolate. I can just taste the pineapple, and it comes in like a couple of seconds into eating it. Tart. Is it Tart? Who? Is it Tart? No, it's not. It just has a subtle pineapple flavour to it. It's quite nice, actually. I'd get these again, to be honest. It's not what I would have expected. I thought it was going to be kind of really that sweety, sour pineapple flavour you get, and it's not. It's actually quite pleasant. Okay, so I'd recommend that. That would be a 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5 for the Kit Kat. The M&Ms, do you know what? I wasn't impressed with them at all. It's like pointy. It's just basically chocolate. They taste like Smarties. Smarties are bigger, by the way. Yeah, M&Ms, not impressed with them at all. Just chocolate in a case, and they're just the branded. Oh, should I say? The packaging is Christmas-like, but there's nothing flavour-wise to do with Christmas about them at all. So that was disappointing. I've got all chocolate all over my fingers. It was like a dirty protest. Right, anyway, that's that for this little vlog. As I say, I'm just trying to get something out there this week. I've not been anywhere, you know what it's like. But in a couple of weeks, we will be going on a little bit of a trip. We're going on a train trip, so I'll be filming that up to Chiang Mai. We'll show you what Chiang Mai's like. Show you the hotel and where we're staying. Anywhere we stay, I'll do a little video on it. And if we have any meals or anything like that, or we'll go to a nice restaurant, we'll stick our vlog in for you, so you'll be able to see what it's like. So that's coming up. I don't know what I'm doing next week. Hopefully maybe go to a restaurant or something. Hopefully we can do something. I'm off on Tuesday. That's pretty cool. But I would imagine a lot of other people are, so everywhere's going to be busy. Anyway, it is what it is. Right, so that's all from this vlog. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Give that little bell a little flick. You know you want to. And we'll see you in the next one. Adios for now. Bye. I'm in Bangkok, travel, food and lifestyle. He's the one to go to anything silent based. Loud Hawaiian shirts and shades, sandals and shorts, that's him.